So this is exactly how I was able to connect my PlayStation 5 to my AOC monitor here, as you can see, and it works without any delay here whatsoever, as you can see. And to be able to connect it, what we need to do firstly is that we're going to grab our PlayStation 5, of course, and there's going to be a couple of cables that we need to make sure that we actually insert correctly. So the main cable here, the HDMI cable, you can see that for me, for my PlayStation 5 it goes here, and I believe it's the same for you. So grab the HDMI cable that you got when you purchased the AOC monitor and then plug it into your PlayStation 5. The other end is gonna go somewhere here. So for me, I'm just gonna show you, for me it actually goes right here, as you can see. This is where the HDMI cable goes on my AOC monitor. And of course don't forget to plug in the power cable for the monitor as well, and then plug it into a power source if you haven't done so already. The same of course goes for the power to the PlayStation itself. And then what you just have to do after that, I'm gonna show you, just a second, just gonna make sure that you can see. So you will be able to see a power button right here. So to be able to start it up, you just need to find this power button here, click on it one time, and then it should start up here, AOC, as you can see. Perfect, and now it should work without any problems whatsoever. So basically that is exactly how to actually do this.